With just 2 days before the advanced poll and a little over a week ahead of the general election, the Minister administration has yet to state its position on quarantined and COVID-positive voters. When questioned on the matter on Tuesday, Minister of Health Wernwood Wells said while the government is still exploring the issue, health officials have recommended that quarantined and COVID-positive voters not be allowed to vote. If the government takes that advice, such a decision could impact up to 6,400 people.
Well, it's still under discussion, but I can say that the health professionals in the Ministry of Health, the ones who basically make recommendations, are recommending to the government that these persons not be allowed to vote.
The health minister added that the government is looking at ways to accommodate quarantined and COVID-positive voters. He added that an announcement on the matter will be made soon.
But the government is looking at this. We understand the issues of the constitutionality of folks wanting to exercise their rights. And so a discussion is going to be had on the recommendation because the health professionals did send forward options. I'm not going to speak to those options, but their definitive recommendation to government was that these persons not be allowed to vote. But the government has come back and says, but if we do allow them to vote, give us an idea as to how best this can take place.
Wells said over 6,000 individuals are COVID positive and in quarantine. However, it is unclear how many of them are registered voters.
Currently in the country, we have about some 3,408 active cases of COVID. That means those are folks who are still positive. They're not hospitalized, but they're positive with COVID. 3,408. We have in quarantine approximately somewhere around 3,000 or so. I still need to get the defined number. In addition to the positive cases.
On Monday, the Progressive Liberal Party threatened legal action should quarantined individuals be prevented from voting in the general election. Deliberations on whether such voters will be accommodated on election day comes as the Bahamas continues to see a surge in COVID cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. As of Monday, 191 people were in hospital with COVID-19. An additional 7 deaths reported on Monday drove the COVID-19 death toll to 453. More than 130 deaths have been confirmed in the last month alone. Just over 19,000 COVID cases have been confirmed in the Bahamas since March 2020. Reporting for Guardian News Network, I'm Jasmine Brown.